everyone, today I'm going to show you how to care for your pet with 52 essential life skills. To care for a pet, you need to provide for its basic needs, such as food, shelter, exercise, and grooming. For feeding, choose a high quality food that's appropriate for your pet's age, breed, and size. Follow the recommended serving size on the label. Also, make sure you feed your pet on time with a consistent schedule, so your pet will know what to expect. Make sure your pet has fresh water. I change my dog's water in the morning and when I come back from school. Regular exercise is important for your pet's physical and mental health. I play fetch with my dog a lot and tug-of-war with toys. Just like us, make sure to take your pet for regular checkups with a veterinarian and keep up to date with their vaccinations. Regular grooming helps maintain your pet's coat and skin care health. This little guy could really use a bath. So today I'm going to show you how to wash him. Choose a dog shampoo that's specifically made for dogs, as human shampoos can dry out their skin. Make sure the water is warm, not too hot and not too cold. Goldilocks in the Three Bears style. Don't forget to clean those paws. They're the ones that get into everything. Use a washcloth to clean their face. Be careful not to get water or soap into their eyes or ears. Make sure to get behind those floppy ears, because that's where all the dirt hides. Dry your pets quickly, especially dogs. They can get cold really easily. Make sure to reward your pet with some extra cuddles or a treat after the bath to make it a positive experience. Remember, pets require time, attention, and love, so make sure to make time for playing and bonding with them.